Have you ever had the feeling that you actually see the world completely different from someone else? That you seem to think and perceive very different from everyone else? Well, that's no accident. Carl Jung, he taught us that our psyche, it runs on 4 different functions: the thinking, sensation, feeling, and intuition. Each with an extroverted and an introverted orientation and a dominant and an inferior aspect. So how great would it be to actually understand yourself even better so you can end up in your everyday actions to thrive the most? Today we're going to explore 4 core types, not just what they are, but how to thrive in your type and how to understand and relate if you are not that type. So this is 3 minutes. Let's go. Jung, he describes the introverted intuitive as perceiving unconscious images, commonly known as archetypes and visions, seeing these with uncanny clarity. You don't just think, you sense possibilities that others miss, and you see things that others they don't. Build silent incubation spaces, journal and strategize, and protect your room with space to think. Don't interrupt the quiet. Ask a simple question and then let time do the rest. The extroverted intuitive scans the world for connections and for possibilities. They care a great deal about novelty and potential. They are more out there, they're more pragmatic. As an extroverted intuitive, you spark ideas non-stop, but you have the risk of running wild without any grounding. Use mind maps or visual boards. Pick one project and finish it, even if it's messy. Offer gentle structure that supports, that doesn't confine. The introverted feeler. Now Jung, he said that this one, it's very hard to elucidate, but still waters, they run deep. They have values formed in the unconscious. You judge the world not by logic, but by inner resonance. What aligns versus what doesn't. Now you're the moral compass. Protect your energy and serve one meaningful cause. Well, do not debate logic. Ask, why does this matter? And then wait. And wait for the deeper meaning, deeper than words. The extroverted thinker. Jung, he described this as focusing on applying objective structure, measurable, orderly, and efficient. You're a master at building systems, but you can tend to forget the human within. Pause. Invest in emotional intelligence. Build sustainable frameworks that people they can grow within. You need to just accept the bluntness. It's not personal. Be concise, be clear, and competent. They will respect that. The wiring of our minds, it isn't random. It shapes what we see as important, how we connect, and how we perceive the world. Your dominant type also determines your outlook on your world. Jung, he warned us, ignoring your dominant and your inferior types, it can result in an endless search for your shadow. The shadow within all of us. But when you understand the wiring of your personality and others, then you shift from clashing to collaborating. If this insight has resonated, then hit that like button and comment down below. Subscribe for more. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.